What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and here's a quick breakdown of what you need to know today in financial markets. Stocks on Wall Street look set for a higher open as investors continue to focus on the reopening of the economy. Dow futures at last check were pointing to an opening gain of about 200 points or slightly less than 1%. That would be its third straight day of gains. On the data front, the ADP jobs report for April, due at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time, is expected to show that the U.S. economy lost 20.5 million jobs last month. This comes 2 days ahead of Friday's non-farm payrolls report. And finally, in a big day on the earnings calendar, before the opening bell, we get results from Shopify, General Motors, CVS, Barrick Gold, as well as Wendy's, Papa John's, and Wingstop. After the close, recent IPOs, Peloton and Lyft will highlight the earnings agenda. We also get numbers from Square and PayPal, as well as Twilio, Etsy, Grubhub, and Wynn Resorts. Now on to something else. I want to talk about three stocks which are set to benefit as the economy reopens. That's been all the buzz on Wall Street this week, sparking optimism amongst investors that the worst of the coronavirus crisis could be behind us. The first name I want to highlight is Starbucks. Shares of the Seattle-based coffee chain tumbled as much as 50% from January through March. Despite a recent pop in recent weeks, the stock is still down 17% year-to-date in 2020. The coffee chain announced earlier in the week that it plans to open 85% of its locations across the country by Friday. So obviously that should bode well for Starbucks. The second name I want to talk about is MGM Resorts, the owner of the largest number of properties on the Las Vegas Strip. Shares have made an astonishing rebound over the past 6 weeks, jumping around 140%. This came after its plunge in the March sell-off took it back to the lowest level since 2009. With that being said, despite the recent surge, shares are still down 57% year to date. However, there are indications that Las Vegas casinos will begin to reopen by Memorial Day. And the final name I want to talk about is TJX Companies, the owner of TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, and other brands. The discount retailer should perform well in the wake of the social restrictions and stay-at-home measures being lifted, as its off-price business model is heavily dependent on shoppers coming to the store. So obviously TJ Maxx should see an uptick in its share price in the days ahead. So that's it for me. May the trading gods be with you. Head over to Investing.com, read the article. It should be in the links in the comment section below. And that's it. Have a good one.